Growing your following with email marketing. Your contacts signed up for your email list because they want to hear from your business. They are glad to see information about you as well as try stuff, which is working awesome for your business, like Snapchat. If you have been into digital marketing for a while, you should have a few thousand email subscribers. Your email subscribers are the people who really like you. In other words, they are your true fans, and they can't miss the opportunity to follow you. The same goes for social media. The best way to get more followers for your Snapchat is by inviting those who really care about you, like your email subscribers. Email is still the most powerful way you can communicate with a customer, and this can be your next email campaign. Simply ask your email list to follow you on Snapchat. Let your email subscribers know that you just created an account on Snapchat, why they should follow you, and what they can expect from you, such as coupons or behind-the-scenes footage. There are several ways to use email to invite your email subscribers to be your friend on Snapchat. Invite them to join. You could use an email explaining to them what Snapchat is all about, how it has helped you in your business, and how it can help them too. You then invite them to install Snapchat if they don't have it installed. You can even give them access to training about Snapchat and tell them they will access that training once they add you in Snapchat. Here is a simple example that you can use and edit if you want. I want to thank you so much for being part of my email friends. A few days ago, I came across a new way to interact with you all, so we can get to know each other better. I've heard a lot about Snapchat. If you're not part of the Snapchat family, I cordially invite you to join. Snapchat is becoming the future of social media, way beyond the rest of the social media platforms. Recently, I decided to create some live stories with it, and I would love to share them with you. They only last for 24 hours, and that's one of the coolest features of Snapchat. Let me tell you, it's really fun. This application allows me to interact with you in real time in various ways. I can talk with you by chat, call, or video call. I can show you my daily activities with stories, save your response snaps in my memories, and send you image and video snaps that will be interesting and fun. You can add me by following this link. Place your snap link here. Add me on Snapchat and I'll be sharing amazing things just for you. Share Snapchat content. You can also implement each and every one of the types of content that works awesome with Snapchat, such as behind the scenes, your team, events, interviews, being funny, products, pre-launches, product launches, custom content, competitions, coupons, giving tips and advice, using quotes and inspirational content, with all of them delivered on Snapchat, and invite your email subscribers to take a look at them. Their curiosity for your content will make the idea of installing Snapchat and following you something completely insignificant, if only to get access to your awesome content, so they will do it without a doubt. Invite them at your email signature. I'm pretty sure you already invite your email subscribers to follow you on your social media accounts by using the email signature. You can also include Snapchat on it. If you are not doing that, it's a really good time to start. If you Google email signature generator, you will find all kinds of awesome tools to create a professional email signature in just a few clicks.